Hello everyone. So today in the multiplayer series we are going to implement health packs. So for example, if I shoot this guy, you can see this is the guy I hit from the other game instance. So my health is reduced, and if I walk through one of these health packs, I collect it and my health is restored, and that collected health pack is vanished for all three players. So let me show you this character this time, and I'll collect this health pack. See, it's vanished. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to work on today: health packs and replicating health packs across multiple instances of the game in this multiplayer game. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so last time we created this health bar, which for the local player we can see it here, and for other players we can see it over the head of the other characters. So if any of these other players shoot at this guy, you can see health is being reduced here, right? So we worked on that. Now I want to implement some health packs and how to replicate those health packs across different player instances, because game instances, because when one of the players who have joined this multiplayer game has picked up that health pack, so only one of the players should be able to pick it up, so it should be replicated across the instances of the game. Okay, first let's create a health pack. And yeah, obviously health pack is something that we can, when we collect it, our health will be restored just like a normal simple health pack. So this is the icon I'm going to use, so let's save it here as a PNG file, because there is some transparency here. And let's import that here under the UI here, drag and drop it to the game project folder. Now this is the health pack icon, so let's go under BP and create a new blueprint class in the type of actor. Let's call it health pack. Right, so so for now I'll add just a simple cube. What's the scale of this? Let's see. Oh, that's too large for a health pack. So let's say something like this. Right, that seems large enough, maybe a little more larger. Okay, now okay, now it will be on the floor when we place it like this. Okay, so let's create a new material, because usually health packs are represented with color green. Do we have a materials folder? No. Okay, let's create a new folder, health pack, and let's move this health pack and everything related to that here. Health pack, vector parameter color, it should be green. Okay, now for the health pack, let's use the color green. Oh, we already have a green one. Right, now we have the health pack. And so after this, so this is not good enough, so I'm gonna add another, like something like a bar, and on top of that bar I'm gonna add the health pack icon, which will be always facing the players like a billboard. So let me replicate this cube. This should be white. Do we have a white material? Right, we have. And one, oh, wait. Let me unlock this. Okay, maybe this part doesn't have to be diffuse material. So color, I'll put it, make it white, and I'll make this one the emissive color. Health pack bar. Right, now it looks better. Okay, now we need that let's see when we play how it looks like this. Well, let's make this translucent. Okay, now we need to add the billboard. Oh, what's the difference? Let's try with the normal billboard. And as this one, I'll use Healthpack. Okay, I think it should be it's not, doesn't have to be hidden in game. Right, well, that's too big. Let's make it is screen size scaled, so it should have a constant size. No, okay, anyway, let's reduce the size. Alright, now it has the constant size as we go closer. Okay, now when we play the game, we can see the health pack like this. Maybe we should reduce Okay, those are not really important to implement the functionality, right? Okay, now we have a health pack. Shall we add a little animation to this? No, let's do that later. First, let's implement the function of collecting this and increasing the health. So far when I go here, nothing happens. Right, I decreased the intensity of the green here a little bit. Okay, so how do we implement collecting health? So first, let's add a collider to this. Oh, not a capsule collider, a box collision. Like this. Now the collision preset is overlap all dynamics, and in the on component begin overlap we can get the other actor. So right, let's quickly go to our character, and we need a way to determine whether this is a playable character currently overlapping with the health pack. So it has this PPI MP character interface. So here let's add a function collect health no just collect. No, why not collect health, and in the input we can add amount, and as an output we can have a boolean to confirm whether it has been collected or not. Collected, right. By default it will return false. Now here under the interfaces we can implement it. Collect health amount, we get it like this. So it has to be a float. Right, now what we do is get the current health amount and add this amount. So health is actually the max value is 1. Because yeah, max value is 1. So we can clamp this between 0 and 1, and we already have a method to update health. Yeah, a macro which we defined in a previous episode to we don't really have to do that. All we have to do is call this update health and give the amount, so it will take care of everything. Basically this is what we have inside that. It updates the health bar and it updates the health variable. Okay, and return true. Well, if we want, we could make it like this, like if my health is already maximum, if this is less than 1, can have a branch and collect, otherwise we can return with a false. That means we are not collecting this health pack as we have already maximum health. Right, now here call on other actor collect health using that interface function we defined here. Right, and as the health amount, let's give 1. And if this is true, let's set live the span of this project to not 0, maybe 0.1. with the do once, because we need to prevent happening this collection more than once. Oh, but oh no, let's add the do once here. And if this returns false, reset it, otherwise don't ever reset it. So this will not be called twice. Right, and shall we check if this works? First, using one of these other characters, let's reduce the health of this character, and let's go there and collect it. Okay, well, my health bar completely lost. Why is that? Delta. Right, here I am reducing. Okay, so for this one, as the delta, well, actually this is wrong, because delta show this by mistake. I have used this to when we shoot to reduce the health. Where else we use this? Here. Let's make this minus, because the change when we get hit, the change should be minus. Also the damage, we need to multiply this with -1 and set here, and here now I'll, instead of subtract, I'll make this an addition. Okay, now collect health should work all right. Okay, now let's test again. Let's collect this. Right, we collected full health. Okay, now, oh wait, I forgot to check one more thing. Did that replicate? Okay, right, I did collect it, but it was destroyed only for this character, not for any of these two characters. How to fix that? And also, if I shoot and go here, it's not working anymore. I think that's because of the do once. Right, when we go to the health pack and select the health pack self, we have this replicates option. Let's enable this and see. Okay, let's go here and when the return ball hits me, so my health, this guy's health is also reduced. So let's go and collect this. Now it is finished for both characters, for both, so it replicates from client to server. Let's add few more of these. So we can check all the combinations. Oh, he's dead. So right, now I'll collect this. Okay, it has been replicated from the, let's check this one. Oh, I can't collect it because my health is full. Let's get hit. Okay, now I can collect it, and it's vanished here and also vanished for the other players as well. Right, so I think it works fine. Alright, so now yeah, replication works. So what else we can do to improve this health pack system? So I imported this splat sound. Does this have an attenuation? Let's use this. Okay, so when we collect the health pack, let's play that sound. But I need to check if when we play that sound and also when we destroy the object, the sound also vanishes. I need to check that. Let's see. No, it worked right. Okay, also shall we add some animation to this, like scale change, so it can get the attention of the player. Let's add a float track. 0 0. This one 0.5 1. And another one 0 here. Right, so here I made this one auto, this one auto, and this one auto, so we can have this smooth looking graph. Okay, here. So using the time, let's set this the billboard screen size. So time is here 0. No, this should be 1. Should be like this. So get the time and multiply it by the current value 0.005. Set it like this, and when it is finished, play from start. Oh, we can't do that. Can I do that if we connect this to a macro? Let's see. Let's convert this to a macro. Oh, we can't. Right, let's have a simple delay. It works then. Okay, let's see. Does the animation work? Right, so I did some quick googling. So in order to see the change, we have to toggle visibility of this billboard twice, otherwise we don't see the scale change effect. And also we have to, like, now it's 5 seconds. Let's reduce the length to 2. Okay, now let's see. Right, now we can see the scale change. And I think it's too big. Yeah, that's better. Also, speed feels too slow. Right, that's cool. Okay, so let me show the final preview. Let's shoot it. Now my health is reduced. Let's collect this. Okay, it's collected, and the change is replicated to all the instances. See, there are no more a health pack in the place I collected. Alright, so we can stop this episode right here. So if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. Link would be in the description below. And also the project files will be available for the download. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.